Here in this unit, we have some objectives. Okay? These objectives are: learn about world idols and leaders. Here are our objectives. Describe people's physical characteristics. Compare the timelines of two icons. Write a timeline. Use the simple past and connectors. Reflect on whether boys and girls have similar idols. And the last one, reflect on a world without leaders. And to start this unity, guys, we have 4 questions that they are just over here. And these 4 questions you are going to answer in your notebook. Let's see the questions. Number 1. Who were your first idols? Number 2. Who are some of the world leaders now? Number 3. Why do people need to have idols or leaders? Number 4. Do you think your idols will be the same 10 years from now? Let's see some words that are important over here. So, who were your first idols? Idols means ídolos. Who were your first idols? Então, vocês vão fazer a resposta no seu caderno. Não esqueça de colocar, identificar no caderno o número da página e o número do exercício, questão número 1. Então, página 26, question number 1. Who were your idols? Olha o detalhe, who were é passado, não estamos falando agora, é sobre o passado. Number 2, who are some of the world leaders now? Who are, agora estamos falando sobre presente, ó, are e now. Who are some of the world leaders now? Palavrinha leaders, a gente lê da mesma forma que a palavra é em português pra gente. Leaders, líderes, tá? Question number 3. Why do people need to have idols or leaders? Why do people need to have? Precisam ter. Why do people need to have idols or leaders? Outro detalhe importante, esta perguntinha, gente, olha, presente, do. Why do people need to have idols or leaders? And number 4, do you think, presente também, olha, do you think your idols will be the same 10 years from now? Então, daqui a 10 anos, do you think your idols will be the same? Okay? You are going to answer these questions in your notebook. Não se esqueça de buscar no dicionário aquelas palavras que você não compreender, okay? Very well. So let's see what we have next.